Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're making one of the easiest alphabet letters, which is the letter L. So we're using cotton mercerized yarn again and 3mm crochet hook. I'll start by chaining 20. I'm gonna make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and one single crochet in every chain. From row 2 to 5, I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in every stitch. Row 6, I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches and I'll turn. From row 7 to 15, I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. And that's it. I'm gonna fasten off. This is how easy is the letter A. Anyone or any beginner in crochet can achieve it, and it's that easy. I hope you like this quick tutorial and found it useful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.